Welcome to Bamfordrose, and it's forum chat time. This week it's ride height setting if you retrofit Bilstein dampers, and we'll quickly cover a snow foaming. Here's a V8 Vantage that has taken the dynamics dampers off and retrofitted with Bilstein, and as you can see from the picture here, he's now got a slightly higher ride height setting picture on the left compared to when he had his dynamics dampers fitted. Those Bilstein dampers will retrofit to the older cars. The mounting points are exactly the same. It's just the ride height is going to be different, and you're going to have to adjust that by changing the platform height on the damper leg. So this is going to need a new groove machining in the damper leg just to lower where that platform sits on the damper, and then that's going to give you the same ride height as the dynamics dampers. To do that, the damper needs stripping, putting in the lathe and the groove machining, so it isn't really a job that you can do at home easily. But unless you do that, then you will end up with a too higher ride height on the rear. Our good old friend, the snow foam. It's that time of year where people put the cars away for hibernation, and yeah, who'd want to run their Aston when the salt is on the road? It's going to do it no favours whatsoever. Just don't do what's in this picture. I mean, it looks like a V12 Vantage. It's got bonnet vents. We can't see the brakes clearly, but obviously it's a big front brake kit. I think they're ceramics, and there's all of that snow foam cleaning solution on the carbon ceramic brakes. Best not to get any solution whatsoever on the carbon ceramic brakes, as getting abrasive cleaners, acidy type cleaners on the disc is going to risk destroying the carbon ceramics, and at a price of £7,000 approximately for the front and £6,000 approximately for the rear, then you only want to be replacing them when you've enjoyed wearing them out and not destroying them by putting a snow foam cleaner on them. Hope you like those forum chats, and we'll see you in the next one.